Hello everyone, welcome to Ruth Straight Talk, the channel that's designed to help you, your students and your children live fuller lives, become lifelong learners and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be. I'm Cynthia Ruth. If you are considering a flexible online program for your child, this is the video that you need to see. In this video, I will share with you the 5 advantages and disadvantages of a flexible online school program. I will also give you several tips to help you prepare your child to succeed in any online or virtual school program. So let's get right to it. Keep in mind that there are 2 types of virtual schools. There is the public school and the private school. In the public school system, there are also full-time online programs or flexible online programs. In this video, we will consider flexible online programs. These programs do not stand alone. You must also be enrolled in a public school program or in a homeschool program in order for you to participate in the flexible home program. Since the student is already enrolled in a full-time program, either in a brick and mortar school or in homeschooling, the flexible online program allows that student to register for courses on a course-by-course basis. There are certain criteria for the student to have to be enrolled in the flexible program, but keep in mind also that once the student finishes a specific course, that grade will be held by either the brick and mortar school or by the homeschool parent. So why would anyone consider joining a flexible online program? Well, here are some of the benefits. Of course, the flexible online program, first of all, is flexible. That means you can work on your courses whenever you choose to. You can personalize your education into the areas that you want to focus on. The second benefit of an online flexible school program is that students that are gifted or highly motivated can advance their education. They do not need to stay with the curriculum of the rest of their class, but they can supplement their classes with other elective or even core courses. This is definitely an advantage to students who want to finish high school early or finish a school program in record time. Another benefit of the flexible online school is that students who are getting ready to graduate and have fallen behind in some of the graduation requirements, the student can actually go on a flexible online school program to complete the graduation requirements. So they would be able to walk to graduation with the rest of their class. Another benefit with the flexible online school is that students can explore areas of interest by enrolling in electives that are within their interest level. Students can get a head start on subjects that they're really interested in and then determine whether they want to pursue that as a lifelong learning. The flexible online program will allow them an introductory course that would help them make that decision. The disadvantages of a flexible online school program? Well, first of all, the student does have to purchase all of the equipment for the lessons. For example, they would need a computer, they would need a webcam, they would need special headphones, they will need printers and scanners. So there is a cost factor attached to the online flexible school program. Another disadvantage of enrolling in the flexible online program is actually one of the requirements. The student must be able to function at grade level reading and math in order for them to be registered with the flexible online program. Another disadvantage is that the student has to be highly motivated, organized, and technologically savvy. If the student is unable to do that, it will seriously hamper their success in online schools, whether flexible or full-time. So your child really wants to do the flexible online program. What can you do as a parent to help him or her succeed? First of all, you want to provide them with a safe, quiet place where they can work. Somewhere with a straight back chair, a desk, and somewhere where they can work on the computer without being disturbed. You should also prepare several areas where they can work. For example, a sofa where they can take a test, or just Zoom in a Zoom meeting or class FaceTime. Whatever it is the child needs, a good, quiet working space is an advantage for him or her. Another way that you can help is to be the cheerleader of your student or your child. For example, you might want to show that child or remind them or praise them for the ways and things that they have been able to accomplish in the course. This would show the child that you're interested in his education, and he will feel that inner pride that his parent actually cares about what he's learning. Another way that you can help your child is to post his or her best work around the area where she is currently learning in her workspace. This would develop a sense of pride in doing excellent work, and you will see her work or his work improve because of that sense of pride. Another way that you can help your child succeed is to allow them a sense of autonomy. Don't be a helicopter mom that simply hovers over them and micromanages their work. Give them the liberty to do it the way they would like to do it, but always be there to help if they cry out for help or if they need your assistance. They would appreciate that sense of autonomy, and yet knowing that you are there to help them if they need help. So there you have it, the pros and cons of a flexible online program. If this video has been helpful to you, please like us at the bottom of the screen. And if you chose to enroll your child in a flexible program or not, please leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. I would really love to hear from you. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to it so that I can let you know when more videos are available. Thank you for visiting with us at ruthstraighttalk.com, and happy learning. Goodbye.